Imagine planting once and harvesting for years. No constant replanting, no endless maintenance. Today we're exploring the world of low-maintenance perennial garden plants that keep giving, season after season. Perennials connect you to the rhythm of the year, building a living ecosystem that matures with you. These plants come back stronger each season, saving you time and energy while providing a reliable harvest. We'll cover the easiest, most rewarding perennials and strategies to keep them thriving for years. Let's start planning a garden that will reward your efforts for many seasons to come. Let's begin with asparagus, the aristocrat of the vegetable garden. It requires patience. Plant crowns and wait 2 to 3 years before harvesting, allowing deep roots to develop. Once established, you'll enjoy daily harvests of tender spears every spring for decades. Asparagus thrives in sunny, well-drained soil. Prepare the bed with grit and compost for best results. After harvest, let the spears grow into tall ferns. These feed the roots for next year's crop. In autumn, cut down the yellowed ferns and mulch the bed to protect the crowns. This simple annual rhythm keeps your asparagus productive for 20 years or more. Plant it once, care for it well, and enjoy a remarkable return for a little patience. Asparagus is a true investment in your garden's future. Few crops are as rewarding. Next up is rhubarb, the definition of resilience. Plant it once and it rewards you with ruby red stems every spring, year after year. Only the stalks are edible. The leaves are poisonous, so always discard them. Harvest by twisting and pulling the stalks, leaving a third on the plant for continued growth. Rhubarb is versatile, delicious in desserts, chutneys, or even savory dishes. Feed it generously with compost in late winter, but don't bury the crown. Divide every few years to rejuvenate and share with friends. Rhubarb is a true workhorse, thriving with minimal care. One crown is enough for most families. It's a perennial staple you'll appreciate for decades. No garden is complete without perennial herbs. Chives, oregano, thyme, and sage return every year, offering flavor and beauty with little effort. Mediterranean herbs thrive in sun and poor soil. The more you neglect them, the better they taste. Mint is vigorous. Grow it in a pot to contain its spread. Let herbs flower to attract pollinators and support your garden's ecosystem. These herbs provide fresh flavors and vital habitats for beneficial insects. They're the quiet heroes of a thriving garden. Plant a few, and you'll enjoy abundance for years. Perennial herbs are essential for any low-maintenance garden. Perennial fruit bushes transform your garden into a soft fruit haven. Blueberries need acidic soil. Grow them in pots with ericaceous compost and plant 2 varieties for bigger harvests. Keep them watered and protect berries from birds. Raspberries and blackberries are easy prune summer fruiting types after harvest, and cut autumn fruiting canes to the ground in winter. Currants are hardy and productive. Prune in winter for best results. Imagine homemade jams and desserts from your own fruit. These bushes offer beauty and bounty year after year. A little care yields sweet rewards for seasons to come. Fruit bushes are a perennial investment worth making. Move beyond annual greens. Perennial greens like sorrel and good King Henry provide harvests for months with little effort. Sorrel's lemony leaves are great in salads and soups, and it produces early and late into the season. Good King Henry offers shoots like asparagus and leaves like spinach, thriving in tough conditions. Pick leaves as needed, and cut flower stalks to encourage more growth. These greens are drought-tolerant and pest-resistant. A small patch supplies plenty for regular use. Perennial greens fill the hungry gap and keep your garden productive. They're the backbone of a low-maintenance food garden. For thriving perennials, preparation is key. Clear weeds and enrich soil with compost before planting. Mulch annually to suppress weeds, conserve moisture, and feed your plants. Simple seasonal tasks like pruning, dividing, and cutting back keep everything healthy. These gentle routines connect you to the seasons and ensure long-term productivity. Prepare, feed, mulch, and maintain. That's the perennial gardener's mantra. With these strategies, your garden will flourish for years. Perennials reward a little effort with lasting abundance. Build a resilient, productive garden that stands the test of time. Want a garden that works smarter, not harder? Start with perennials. Plant once, harvest for years, and create a living legacy. Even a single rhubarb crown or pot of mint can start your perennial journey. These plants root you in the rhythm of the seasons and offer rewards that deepen over time. Thanks for joining me. Now, let's plant something for the future. Subscribe for more tips and happy gardening.